Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove iOS 27 beta from your iPhone. So guys, if you want to downgrade from iOS 27 to iOS 26, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and wait here for some seconds and tap on automatic updates, and after this you have to simply turn off automatically installed from here. So guys, do this, and after this go back and go to beta updates, and from here if it is checked on iOS 27 developer beta, then you have to simply check this to off. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply check this to off, and after this go back, and now you have to simply go to general section again and then scroll it below all the way and go to transfer or erase iPhone, tap on erase all content and settings, and from here you have to simply tap on continue and erase your iPhone for one time. And before doing this you have to simply back up your iPhone as well. So guys, create a backup and after this tap on continue and follow the instructions and erase this iPhone for one time. So guys, do this, and after this your device will be downgraded from iOS 27 to iOS 26 automatically. So guys, in this way you can also downgrade from iOS 27 to iOS 26 on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.